You know that shopping online is convenient and easy. People like you and me shop online every day. Over $9.5 billion are made online every day, and dropshipping allows you to have a share of that as well. Now you are asking yourself, how does this dropshipping work, and is it even something that works for me too? This is Manjeet, the founder of the Dropshipping University, and he can answer these questions for you. Together with his team, he has helped his clients to set up their own 5 to 6 figure dropshipping business. And this is how it works. You have your own online shop and sell problem-solving products that customers really want. But don't you need your own products, a warehouse, and a shipping department? No, because unlike the complex process of selling products offline, you don't need a warehouse, no packaging, no shipping department, and not even your own products for your online shop, because everything runs through a professional supplier. As a dropshipper, you only have the tasks of building up your own online shop, finding the potential products, promoting them on Facebook, and forwarding the new orders to the supplier. The supplier ensures that the products are guaranteed to get to the customer. And the best thing about it? You only pay your supplier after the customer has paid you. With low risk, easy, and with almost no money to start with, you earn your money online as a real entrepreneur. All you need is a laptop and Wi-Fi. That's it. Now, you are asking yourself, how and when can I start? The answer is now. With simple step-by-step guidance and the help of Manjeet and his team, all you have to do is click on the button below the video and apply for a free initial consultation. Register now and we will find out if and how you can start with becoming a dropshipper.